Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator, Stan Berteloot from Nytro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
Today is Thursday, May 8th, 2025. Here is what we are covering. Amazon introduces Vulcan, a new warehouse robot equipped with advanced tactile technology capable of sensing the items it handles. Featuring dual arms, Vulcan uses force sensors, a camera, and a suction cup to organize and retrieve items, managing around 75% of Amazon's inventory. Trained on physical data with feedback, Vulcan can self-improve over time. Deployed in Spokane, Washington, and Hamburg, Germany, Vulcan has processed 500,000 orders. Amazon emphasizes enhanced safety, countering perceptions of replacing human workers. Speaking of AI expansion, OpenAI has announced the launch of OpenAI for Countries, a program aimed at collaborating with governments to enhance AI infrastructure worldwide. The initiative involves building local data centers and customizing AI tools, such as ChatGPT, for regional languages and needs. Funding will be shared by OpenAI and participating governments, focusing initially on 10 international projects, though specific locations remain undisclosed. This program aligns with Project Stargate, OpenAI's effort to expand its AI data centers globally. The initiative underscores OpenAI's goal to promote Western development over Chinese technologies. Meanwhile, in AI-powered search, ChatGPT, a tool by OpenAI, dominates the AI search market with an 80.1% share, outpacing traditional search engines whose usage is steadily declining. Recent data from SimilarWeb highlights this shift, noting that Google's AI tools have a modest 5.6% share, while DeepSeek and Perplexity hold smaller portions at 6.5% and 1.5% respectively. Notably, traditional giants like Google, Bing, and Yahoo are experiencing year-over-year declines, illustrating the increasing influence of AI tools in how information is accessed online. Switching gears to design tools. Figma has unveiled a significant AI-driven expansion to its creative software platform, introducing 4 new products: Figma Sites, Make, Buzz, and Draw. Announced at the Config 2025 event, these tools position Figma as a comprehensive solution for product design, eliminating reliance on external apps like WordPress and Adobe Illustrator. Figma Sites allows seamless website creation directly from Figma Design, incorporating AI-generated interaction codes. Figma Make, powered by Anthropic's Claude 3.7, offers prompt-based prototyping akin to GitHub Copilot. Meanwhile, Figma Buzz facilitates marketing content creation with brand-guided templates, directly challenging Canva's platform. Finally, Figma Draw offers vector design capabilities, rivaling Adobe Illustrator, enhancing Figma's utility in comprehensive design tasks. These introductions highlight Figma's commitment to an all-in-one creative ecosystem. And rounding out with another OpenAI initiative. OpenAI has unveiled OpenAI for Countries, a new initiative aimed at supporting global nations in developing democratic AI infrastructure. The project builds on its Stargate project, launched in collaboration with Oracle and SoftBank, and currently operational in Abilene, Texas. The initiative seeks to partner with countries to establish secure data centers, allowing them to maintain data sovereignty and encourage local industry growth. Additionally, OpenAI will offer localized ChatGPT services to enhance public services in education and healthcare. The organization also emphasizes evolving security measures to ensure AI models respect democratic processes. By collaborating with the U.S. government, OpenAI plans to seed national AI ecosystems, fostering job creation and economic development, while promoting democratic AI practices worldwide.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.